Thank you.
Thank you for coming into Champion Chevrolet. I'd just like to ask you a question about your service today. Were you satisfied with everything today?
Very much. I've been coming here for 5 years when I bought my vehicle, and everyone's polite and gets everything done just wonderfully.
Thank you very much, and we do appreciate you. We would appreciate you keep on coming back to us, and we appreciate everything that you have done for Champion Chevrolet by buying a vehicle from us.
Thank you, and I'll continue going to Chevy dealer in Rockwall, Texas once I get down there next week.
Ooh, that sounds great. Thank you very much, and enjoy Texas and have a wonderful day.
I will. You too.